We are getting good updates from Tesla Giga Berlin this morning, friends, as Tesla is planning to add third shift at Giga Berlin in December. You see, the ramp is going very well and Tesla is planning to add a third shift at Giga Berlin factory. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Giga Berlin has only been open since March of 2022. But before the year is out, Tesla is planning to add a third shift to the factory, bringing production up to a full 24 hours per day electric car production. As with any factory, production kicked off at Giga Berlin with a single shift after the official opening. Thanks to months of preparation and production of production line testing prior to the launch, Tesla was able to add a second shift recently, just 2 months later. As I reported that earlier at Torque News channel. The addition of the second shift at Giga Berlin factory brought the factory production to 16 hours per day operation, running from 6:30 a.m. in the morning to 10:30 p.m. in the evening each day. With production at Giga Berlin steadily increasing and more electric Model Y Teslas are coming out of the production line and more employees being hired, Drive Tesla has learned that the company is targeting December 2022 to add a third shift. So we have to wait a couple of more months. Let them do the work at 2 shifts until December. And now in December 2022, we should see the third shift added and production increasing at Giga Berlin. By adding a third shift, the factory will be able to will be operating around the 24-hour, actually around the clock for 24 hours each day. That should allow Tesla to increase its electric car production at Giga Berlin up to 5,000 Model Y SUVs per week by early next year, a target shared by Drew Baglino, Tesla's Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, during the company's Q2 2022 earnings call. Friends, Giga Berlin is currently producing between 1,200 and 1,500 Model Y electric crossovers each week. When the factory opened, only performance variants were being produced at Giga Berlin, but in recent months the factory has added the long-range variant to their production lines. The factory at Giga Berlin has also been testing a number of different production processes in preparation to add them to their lines. Over the last few months, crew have built a single-motor rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y, a Model Y with locally made single-piece front casting, and a Model Y with a structural battery pack. We're talking about the 4680 batteries, the cylindrical batteries. The paint shop at Giga Berlin has also making progress, having recently completed the first test of the all-new Mercury Silver metallic and deep Crimson paint colors. So lots of good news at Giga Berlin. We have been reporting good news from Gigafactory Fremont as well. As I reported last night, we have been seeing, people have been seeing 50% more delivery trucks at Gigafactory Fremont, at the Fremont factory. I'm sorry, it is not a Gigafactory. Only Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, and Gigafactory Austin's are considered as Gigafactories. So Fremont things are going really well as the Fremont capacity has increased and Tesla is adding more delivery vehicles, trucks to roll out the cars from the assembly lines to the reservations holders. Elon Musk said that he thinks that the long delivery times, long wait times for reservation holders are not a good things, and they're doing the best they can to shorten the delivery times. The same thing is happening at Gigafactory Shanghai. As I reported yesterday, Gigafactory Shanghai has cut the delivery times for reservations holders, because when people know that they don't have to wait for a longer time, they're more likely to order their Tesla cars. And now we're getting good news also from Gigafactory Austin, where the ramp is going really well there as well. So for now, we're looking for the December target day when Tesla at Gigafactory Berlin will plan to add the third shift, bringing the operation to 24-hour operation and building the target 5,000 electric Model Y vehicles at Gigafactory Berlin per week. This is exciting. What do you think about this, friends? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what do you think about the ramp at Giga Berlin, at Gigafactory Austin, and increase of production at the Fremont factory. I keep saying Gigafactory Fremont because all the factories are Gigafactories, but I don't know. The Fremont is increasing the production, and hopefully one day, and they're building a new construction, as I reported a couple of days ago. Who knows? Maybe a couple of months or years later, Fremont will be called the Gigafactory as well. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you. Peace be with all of you. And I'll see you soon in our next report.